In this video, I'm going to show you how I use ChatGPT as my F3A Caller.
Roll combination.
Next.
Humpty bump with 2/4 rolls and a half roll pull.
So for those of you that are starting to practice the A27, the P27 and the F27, the new maneuvers and the new schedules for the next 2 years, I found that ChatGPT can be very useful for calling you the maneuvers. I know that it's not that difficult to memorize like 17 maneuvers, but to give you some hints or some reminders, for example, that you need more space over there or you need to climb more or mark well the lines, you can personalize it the way you want, and I found it very, very interesting and working pretty well. It's not like having my wife behind me, but still, when you are alone and you want to maybe even practice some unknowns, it can work very well. You just dump a picture of your callouts, you can write as well whatever you want to hear, and even you can just modify it or adjust it throughout the fly. So, oh, please remind me to the square on corner, it's the first and the third line where the rolls are. So all these kind of things I found interesting, and also you can put, you can use it for a lot of things. But for this video, we are going to just focus on the callouts, on how I put the maneuvers in there, and how you can have a conversation during the flight with ChatGPT. So I have activated the advanced voice, how they call it. So I'm just going to unmute her, and what I did is just very simple, send a picture of the maneuvers, how I have them described for my wife, and send it to her. So let's see how it goes. Hey, ready to do a P27?
Great. Let's start with maneuver number 1. Humpty bump with 2 half rolls and 2/4 rolls.
The nice thing about this is that you can talk to her and say, okay, just wait until I call you or I ask you to call me the first maneuver. Okay, are you ready?
Absolutely. I'll wait for your cue. Just let me know when you're ready to start, and I'll give you the first maneuver.
ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence system that you can use on your phone or computer just like any other app or website. You can type to it, you can talk to it with your microphone, and it will respond instantly with text or voice. For us, that means that ChatGPT can act as a caller. You can give it your list of maneuvers as a file, write them directly, or even say them out loud, and it will call them for you very quickly, one by one, just like a real caller would. So here we are, ChatGPT website. It's very similar to the phone application, but as you will see, it's basically a chat where you can ask whatever you want, dictate whatever you want, or also use the voice mode, which will be very helpful whenever we are flying to interact with ChatGPT, ask for the next maneuver, adjust a certain maneuver, and basically have a conversation with your caller. You can also add files and more, which means that you can add your callouts as a document or also attach a picture or take even a picture directly on your field. In this case and for this video, the easiest way for me to explain you how this works is to use the prompts, is to use a text where you can copy it directly into this chat and you have it ready to go. So as you will see in the video description, there will be a text that you can copy paste, and I will also put it in the first comment of this video. So you can basically copy the whole thing and paste it into ChatGPT like I'm doing right now. As you will see, if you go through it, there is the description of how we want ChatGPT to behave and also the whole descriptions, the callouts. So if you want to adjust it, you can basically modify it here, or you can tell her to modify it for you, or even include a completely new program. So once you copy all of that, you can basically send this command, and as you will see, got it. From now on, I will act as your F3A caller. Very good. So that's the first step. The second step is basically to use the voice mode to interact with ChatGPT as a F3A caller. So let's do it. Let's give it a try. Hello, ChatGPT.
Hello. Are you ready to start practicing the P27 maneuvers?
Yeah, let's go for it. Let's start with the P27. First maneuver.
First maneuver, Humpty bump, 2 half rolls, 2/4 rolls.
Next.
45 Humpty with 2 opposite half rolls and a complete roll. Push.
Next.
Triangle with half rolls at 45 and 2/4 rolls on top.
Next.
Shark fin with complete roll.
FlyCoach is an online tool where you can upload your flights, see clear plots of your lines, and with FlyCoach Score, get objective and consistent judging. You can share your flights with the community, compare with pilots around the world, and track your progress session by session. I've been using it a lot lately, and I really love how it works and how addicting it is. For me, this feels like the future of the F3A. I'll do a separate video about it soon, so I can show you more about it.
Perfecto. ¿Puedes hacerlo ahora en japonés?
Yonjo dono Humpty. Futatsu na hantai muki no hanron y totsu na completa roll.
And that's it. If you have a reliable internet connection, ChatGPT will answer you very quickly and you will get the maneuver callout just the way you want them. You can always adjust it to your style and preferences. Personally, I will be using it whenever I go fly alone, and I will also try with some unknown schedules to see how the workflow goes. It's definitely a nice tool to have with you.